Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Code for Any. Previous video will see how to create here the welcome screen and the startup screen with to develop. First of all, to run or reload and need to display here the startup screen. Need to create here the startup screen. After we need to set here maybe some time set here delay, set here 3 second delay, and that will reload display the startup screen. Now this is the startup screen, and after we need to create here the welcome screen. Now today we need to create here the login screen, registration screen, and forget password we need to screen develop to. Let's start the coding first of all, and let's start the coding. We need to go inside the login form and we need to create here the login view dot dot. Now we need to write down here the stateful widget and write down here the login view. And we need to first of all the import here the material dependency, and we need to create here the scaffold. We need to first of all import here the back button, because here this design in the not display here the back button. We need to put here the back button for the here click and then open this screen, and we need to press here the black button, put here and go back this screen. Okay, now we no need to set here the back button, because already this screen in the bottom we need to set here the click event for the logins and sign up. Both are page in bottom give the flow. We need to here need the back button reset password. Let's start the coding. We need to first of all create here scaffold. Now we need to add here the body, single child scroll. Child columns, children's. Okay, we need to give here the cross axis alignment as a center. Now we need to give here the some height space. Get here media, very of the context or size is for the media. Now we need to copy this and we need to write here in, and we need to set here style to give here color the T color text color, and we need to set here the font size, and then we need to give here the font bold, extra bold, weight. Check inside the here, click here, extra bold 13 size we need to set here, extra bold we need to 800. Okay, now set here, and now we need to create here the another text field. First of all we need to give here the white space, we need to set here 64 and 12. Then we need to give it the comma and we need to write here the get your login details, logins, and need to check here the font size 14 and medium that here 500 and text as a secondary text color and save. Need to give height space between the login titles. Now we need to comment and now we need to copy the space by comma. Now we need to create a container. We need to set here the symmetric vertically horizontally. Now at here container, get the decoration give color text field. Now we give it the radius that here the now child write down here text field and we need to get here the editor editing controller email down here and give here the text editor editing controller. Now we need to create another for the password and down password. Okay, now this is the done. We need to get here to set here auto correction set false, pass here the controller HTML, then we need to here the input decoration need to set here decoration we need to set here and need to set here the first of all the enable borders and focus border we need to set here enable border none and need to focus border. Now we need to set here the int text we need to set here text here. Now we need to get the int text style option. Copy the styles here. Comma. And we need to set here and padding const edges insert set here the symmetric horizontally the t and what now we need to configure here this login page. We need to first of all configure inside this login button. Go inside the welcome screen and we need to write down here the login navigator of the page that is page route next const value login view and we need to set const value and remove. And now we need to click here the login buttons, the open the login screen here. Okay, now display good. We need to set here first of all the vertical alignment. We need to first of all fix here. We need to go inside here login. Now set this and we need to give here the text alignment. Definition and check here solder. Now set this done and we need to cut this and convert the common to write down here the round dot or create here let's widget we need to create here the round and we need to first of all import here material dependency and we need to put here the copy text. We need to import here the color extensions first of all and we need to pass here some static to pass text editor final text editor. We need to give here the optional value controller. Now we need to set here int. We need to set string set here paste here. Now we need to pass here for type. We need to set here text input type and we do type. Now we need to pass here And to create here the required and this dot the required, not required this sync null, required as in text that dot and set to text now set here, and we to give here for type dot set here. And now we need to for use this text field as a password, that's why I need to give here the boolean and to set here skill type here and of secure text, copy this and by default we need to pass here false, so that we and need to pass this text here. Okay, now this common text field are the done. We need to copy this rounded text field and we need to put here import first of all this widget here, and to give here the hint text that here the and to set here the emails and to give here the type set here text input type email. We now set this and this done, and we need to give here the height space, we need to give that here 20. Now we need to copy and create the password text field. We need to create here your password, write down password and we set here the password. Now done, and if your text is now done this and create here the password field. And now we need to create here the some space, height space we need to give here and to set here 25. Now we need to create here the round button, title, login. Okay, now login buttons are the created here. Need to copy this and need to give some space. Set here the first value. Set here. Now we need to create here the text button. Get for the forget password and to write down here. We'll just copy this text and we to write down here the forgot password. And now we need to check here the font stipple 14 medium set here. Okay, already set it. Okay, now done. And we need to remove this thing maybe. Okay, now display good here because already this button used the padding, that's why I need to give some space, control that and to set here. Now display good, and now we need to create another text field. We need to write down here, copy and to paste here, write text here for in type Save this. And we need to give here the some height space between the forget password and this text. Set here 30 will pass here 4. And we need to give more space between here, and we'll do that here. Now we need to create here the text field with the icon button. We need to get here. Now we need to copy this button logic. We need to copy this L button. Copy. And we put here. To first set here. And we need to remove this border logic. And this one. Give here the color. Facebook. The colors here. Check here its color. Now we need to set here text login face, and we need to set here turn right, and we need to use this font. Check here well medium. We need to pass here. Login with the Facebook. Now we need to copy this thing and paste. After we need to put here the icon, and we need to first of all copy the color for the login here, red color here. Now save, and we need to write down here the Google. Now save this, check here, and we do that here. And after we need to give here some space, and then we need to create here the button. Now we need to copy this forget password button, copy to put here, and we need to write down here sign up. And we need to check here what in bold. We need to set here bold 700 set here for the sign up, and we need to set here primary text color. We need to set here primary, not text color, and we need to create here row, and we need to give here minimum size. Main axis size we need to set here the minimum, and we need to copy this again, and we need to put here, and we need to copy this text here. Don't have a accounts. We need to down here. Don't have an account, and we need to set here the 500, and we need to set here the secondary text. We need to set here this now, and need to give some space. Okay, now this is the done here, and we need to put here some space. We give here the here, Okay, now we need to put here the Facebook icons and Google Plus icon. We need to put here. Need to export first of all is this icon. Facebook. Now we need to put here this Google icon. Export this icon. Okay, now done this and check here. Put this both logo inside the IMG. Done. Need to copy this relative path and here add wait. Now we need to create here the row and we need to write down here the main axis size. We need to set minimum. In and set and to set here the it set here the in and we need to give it the width space. We need to 8 constable. Now check this Facebook icon. Click. Where's the height? Speed. Set here. It. Box width we need to. Now display good here. Now we need to copy first of all convert into this common button. We need to create here copy, write down and we need to create here round done dot start here. Now we need to create here stateful widget, tasteless widget, not stateful. Write down here round one buttons. And to import here first of all real dependency and we to now we need to import this color text extension and we need to create here some property. We need to first of all copy this button all property and to paste here and to another one property we need to create for the icon. Now we need to pass here one another property now we need to here the list dot title and then we to provide list dot icon and to pass here copy this default color will color primary, and we need to give here this dot past here. That he no. To create here. Now we need to give here the all property title. Now we need to icon, set here the icon. Now the color background. Then we need to on press event. And now this button are ready. Now we need to copy this button and to change the login down here to put here this widget, and we to give here now with title, and we to give here the color, and we to on press and we now this are the button. Remove this, save this, check here, working good. To copy, convert into button. Now we need to copy this and we need to paste here this color and title, and we need to change here the Google logo, view path relate and save here, and we need to now save, working good. We need to set here. Now we need to create here the sign up screen. We need to first of all write down here the new files. We need to copy this login and to here inside the sign up, and we need to first of all change this name. Sign. Okay, now run this, and we need to change this first of all HD file and look like this design. We need to develop first of all, and we need to put here one by one. Now we need to write down here the sign up, and add your details to sign up. Now we need to first of all configure here the sign up screen. We need to configure inside the login, and we need to put here this click event navigator dot push here and write down text material page route and to and we to write down here master query sign up. Semicolon. Now save this. Now done. Copy and we have to put this logic and we have to paste here the login and we have to change this to in already created have account and display this value. Now we need to open this sign up buttons. We need to click here and open here the sign up. We need to change this, configure all the text and to remove stupid here 30. And we need to one more thing remove. Sign up. COD. And now we need to create another text field. Write down to copy. And to write down here the name. Then we do mobile. Then we do address. And password or password. Okay, now this thing this. And now need to configure the world UI look like to all as a set here. Write down here the name and we to change here change the controller and we to now we need to copy this and we need to put here after the email. Write down here the txt mobiles and we to write down here the mobile. Now we need to copy this text value. Okay. Write down the address. Write down the text. And now we need to copy this and paste here. And to the password and we to set here the keyboard type. Set here on pad text with type on save this. And we to change this with and now display good here. Save this login page and we'll do sign up screen. Now this button are the done here and now need to develop here the forget password screen to develop. And here maybe you should write down this UI in the write down area, and we need to set here to verify as a OTP. Now first of all, we get here the forget password screen. Write down here, and you need to create new files. Set password. Write down here, and now we need to copy this the login flow screen. We need to first of all copy and to put sign up screen, and we need to remove the unused code. We need to all remove here. This will change here, and we need to remove password field. Need to write down here the set password. And to and we need to space, we need to 16, and we to remove this media. Stop all, we need to and we to rename set password. Now save this, and we need to configure the screen, insert the login, and set here this forget password here to copy this to put. Now we need to cut this, and now save this, and we need to check here screen, click here forget password, and now this the created screen forget password. When we need to give here some space between the titles and subtitles, need to copy this. And now display good here. Now we need to create here the new password screen. We need to develop. We need to create here this new password screen. Write down here the here files. Now we need to copy this reset password screen. Paste here and change this to new password view. Now save this, and we need to cut this confirm password. Write down here, and we need to change this title to password. Enter your new password. save this password. Get the password and we need to with this right here confirm password. Here and we need to configure here the new password screen first of all inside the here, and write down here the send navigator push, and to write down here material page routes and first here text password of the screen semicolon. We first of all import this widget here, save this, and we need to click here the send and open the new password screen. Now set here done. All screen are the develop here. Now we need to create here the OTP screen first of all to write down here. And we need to copy this reset password screen and we need to change this name first of all OTP now, and we text and change this text send. And we need to write down and we need to text button. Comment this that receive and we need to first of all configure as sign up screen, and then after developing one plugin import here first of all. After we need to create the password OTP screen OTP text field we need to create, copy this and to go inside the sign up and to write down next button we do the copy and the sign up button. Go to the OTP screen very first of all. Now save and we to click here and go to the that and text to center that here. Text line. Enter. Now we need to first of all find out the OTP field, text field. Already find out here, and we to use here this OTP text field. Import here and will work quickly. Now we need to control this first of all. Inside the pub space, and we need to import this dependency here. OTP. Now we need to add here the OTP. Waiting for the completed waiting screen. Okay, now import this done, and we need to go inside the OTP view. First of all, we need to see the example here. And we need to get this state. It's not it. Oh, what first? Now we need to fill. And we need to first of all clear the size box. Height we need to give the pix 16 and that here children's here. And if we need the middle child, check it. Oh, that's fine. And we need to check here the child. Now we need to build some function here. Border set here. Text active border deeper. Text back. Const variable. Now set some exceptions. First configure account button first of all inside the home screen. This and here sign up. Save. Now it get the create account. Two missing exceptions when it set here. Not display. Alt reload. And configuration show you usually get the wrong way to get this error. Check. Issuing this library version meant to change first of all down this library version. Maybe try to restart this again because we need to rerun library. Should be run this this code. If you have any question, please write down in the comment sections. If you new to please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications. And if you like this video, please give the thumbs up. And now we need to waiting for the run this project and we'll to check again work or not, because we need to completely reload, because some dependency are the inside the SDK file. That's why I need to not import the need to run the full project after need to work to try. If not working, then we need to change this dependency. We need to remove and find out the another dependency. We need to first of all some config set here and set here for. Now we need to give it the brown color. And we need to set transparent. Transparent. Now save this and we need to check here. And now run this app and we need to check here. Now we need to go inside the create account buttons, click and sign up. Set here. Not reflect this. That's why. So first of all, now here the create button here. Now take the mobile passwords and you here and we need to write down here focus node change here scope. Now we need to set it. Focus. Request and no. Give it. And Now working. Okay, now this part are the. If you like video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, then please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications. If you have any question, please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. And everyone have a nice day. Goodbye.